So hey guys, so here we've got our spindle set up, used on the Imperial 70 through 73 basically. Great big old pin caliper design. Of course all the Imperials use the 778 ball joint. This is what's in our Imperials from 60 to 66. 778 upper ball joint and this screw in 727. And you will notice that yes, they use the same upper. And nearly the same ball joint. It's off by about 10 thousandths, so it just doesn't go as deep as the original style. But it bolts right up and works just fine. That's from years of playing around with parts. There you go. Direct replacement, 60 and up spindle swap. Fantastic brakes. Designed to stop a 6,000 pound beast 3 times back to back from 60. Alright. Bye.